Is your house safe from electricity? Is the monthly electricity fee burdensome? BRASER protects your safety and saves electricity. Complete your diverse life together with accurate BRASER that's as accurate and sharp as a razor blade. BRASER, a specialized power strip brand that is spreading all over the globe. There are two versions of BRASER's power strip, Platinum and Gold. The safety of the BRASER starts from the plug. The plug is G-type, which conforms to the UK standard. There are 3-meter and 5-meter cables. If shorter or longer cables are needed, they can be manufactured to order. Thickness is usually 1.25 millimeters squared, but BRASER's cable is 1.5 millimeters squared. Live, neutral, ground lines are all the same. Want to use electricity more safely? In addition, complete safety is guaranteed as a varistor is installed in the area to prevent lightning caused by surges while connecting the main frame. Main switch that automatically blocks during power surges. The material of the switch case is PA66, and silver is pressed to the contacts, which further improves durability and conductivity. Power saving is possible without the inconvenience of pulling the plug. Each outlet has a separate switch. It's one step closer to perfect power saving. Both the main switch and individual switches can be used 10,000 times. Make sure to switch off unnecessary power via individual switches. There are 4 types of Platinum version: 2, 3, 4 and 5, depending on the number of outlets. The main material, PC, is excellent in heat resistance and flame retardancy. The spacing between the sockets is 55 millimeters, making it easy to plug in. Is the socket durable enough? Opening and closing test, which was undertaken 15 times in 1 minute, total of 5,000 times, is guaranteed. All sockets are equipped with child-proof protection shutters. The familiar appearance of 2 terminals is welcoming. The port that is installed to plug in the USB is clear. Recharge your mobile by immediately connecting to BRASER without a separate plug. The maximum output of the USB is 2.1A. Let's now pay attention to terminal connection and internal structure. In contrast to the soldering structure, which is generally soldered, BRASER uses the terminal crimping method. It is for elevating the quality class to a higher level. These 2 holes in the back of the product are needed when hanging on the wall. The Gold version features 4 kinds, including 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is no separate switch and USB port. The product quality is exactly the same as the Platinum version. All BRASER products have acquired CE certification, and cables have also acquired CB certification. SASO certification has also been obtained to enter Saudi Arabia, and there is no deficiency based on any international certification standard. The product is released after going through stringent inspection, such as excessive voltage test, temperature rising test, opening and closing test, based on UK standards. The production plant of BRASER is completely trustworthy as it has received ISO 9001 and 14001 certifications in Korea. BRASER is completely produced in Korea, from cable injection to assembly of the finished product. We produce the best quality product by applying Korean technology and quality principles. Safe and economical power strip blazer. Moving and sophisticated design. With BRASER, comfortably and intimately change your space. BRASER keeps taking safety to the new heights. BRASER.